here in a log jam. Ooh, here's another one. Dropped in. Not quite done yet, are you? It's got a little black feathers in his head there. That's all right. Shake it out. Our bald eagles are quite a bit bigger than the bald eagles in the lower 48. Some of them are amazingly big. Huge wingspans. Yeah. I wonder if this one hears the camera running, taking his video. He's watching. And another one here gonna... Oh, now they're gonna argue who gets the bathtub. Yeah, it's fun to watch them. That's it. Shake it out of there. A lot of times they'll just stand up, sit up in the tree with their wings wide open and letting the air dry them out.